Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to check out what is actually trending locally on Google search. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Chrome browser. Having opened up Chrome browser, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on Google search. Then type Google Trends. Click on search. Go ahead and click on Google Trends. Now you are here. Explore what the word Nigeria is searching for right now. However, this depends on the country you find yourself. And right now, as at the time of making this video, you have what is actually trend locally based on your country from the home page right here. Why is this person topic is trending? Why is this grid is trending? So you can scroll down and read detail. So you can see this is trending about 13 hours ago, and Natasha Apoti trending about 10 hours ago. This depends on country location that will determine what is actually trending locally. Okay, so now for you to explore what are the trending stuff in your locality, for that, click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on trending now. And you'll be taken right here. So as at the time of making this video, these are active trending keywords right here across Google and at the same time across YouTube. The more you scroll down, the more you see trending keyword and topics right here. However, this depends on the country location. So as at the time of making this video, these are what is locally trending right now in Nigeria, such as David Mark, Bella Kairi, Nigeria Customs Service, Karina Kapoor, 9/11, NEPA country, etc. So you can see some of them right here. Now you can decide to check on the trending based on times, based on category, etc. And for that, click on here. Then you can decide to check on trending for the past 1 week, 48 hours, etc. Let's say, for instance, you want to check on what is trending for the past 48 hours. Switch to 48 hours, then you get the results right here. You can scroll down and check on some of the active one right here. Whenever you see any of the active one right here, it simply means that the keyword is still very much relevant. So you can go ahead and make use of the keyword to do whatever you want to do. You can continue right here and switch by category right here. You can decide to check on trending by category, by food, by fashion, etc. But you will be given each figure of the trending keyword based on the keyword. Right here on the entertainment, we have about 8 keywords trending right here. Click on entertainment, you'll be given the actual 8 keywords of the trending under the entertainment. You can see Love Island Games, Beauty in Black Season 2, Karina Kapoor. So these are what is trending right now in my locality under the entertainment. You can swipe this way and check what is trending for our hashtag. So that is for entertainment. We can click on here and filter by the active one. So click on all trendings, then show active trends only. Turn on this and you will be given only active keywords. Then from here, you can work on that on the active keyword. It's that simple. Click on here now and choose by relevancy. Then you have title, search volume, and recency, etc. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to check out what is actually trending in your locality in Google search. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Google search, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.